stands and in fact the power companies. Our next caller, Gary, is calling in from Agra. Gary, a very good morning to you. How can we help you?
Good morning to you and all the experts over there.
Go ahead with your
I'm holding some position in Vodafone Idea.
Okay.
I have equity in Vodafone Idea, about 20,000 shares, bought at different levels.
Okay.
So my average is about 8 rupees. So my question is that as the government holds a large portion of that company, that the government actually owns that, which is on almost about 50%. What do the experts feel about the company? Shall I hold the position or shall I just book the losses?
Okay. Just wanted to clarify, is it 30,000 shares or 20,000 shares?
20,000.
20,000 shares. Okay, got your point, Gary. I'll take this up with Rajesh. Rajesh, I hope you've heard his question. Plus, the kind of AGR overdues verdict overhang also on the counter. What's the view like? Should he continue to hold?
See, it's a very difficult thing to suggest because we all know the fundamentals are in a very bad shape. Quarter on quarter, the numbers have been pretty bad. ARPUs are much lower than the industry ARPUs. 5G, forget about 5G in various regions. 4G is also not working. Management has said they are moving into 5G and all. But the management has also categorically said that if the EGR thing is not solved, the company, they won't be able to run the company for too long a period of time. So there's a lot of negatives going on. At this point of time, I would add a little bit of technicals to this and say that you keep a stop loss of 5 rupees and continue to hold to exit at around maybe on any jumps to 8 rupees.
On any jumps. Let's talk about Ganesh Benzoplast quickly. Let's run through a couple of questions if we can. We've got Yashoda, who's writing in from Bengaluru and bought at levels of 118, wondering whether to add more of the current levels for 1 year. What's a quick view, Vaishali?
Ganesh Benzoplast, just a minute. Yeah.
In the meanwhile, we've also got RVNL, and this is a question from Guru, who's asking whether it can be bought at the current price. It's posting its numbers today. Rajesh, very quick view on RVNL? Add. Okay. Vaishali, the view on Ganesh?
I would say keep today's low as stop loss because the stock has just fallen and it has come to its previous low. So if it breaks the 100 levels, then exit because that could trigger further sell, or else wait for it to bounce at least to 120, 120.
Okay. All right. On that note, thank you so much, Vaishali, as well as Rajesh, for joining us on today's show. Pleasure having you as always. All right. That brings us to the end.